Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
All conditions are favorable for further advance of monsoon into some more parts of Central Arabian Sea, Goa, some parts of South Maharashtra, some more parts of Karnataka, remaining parts of Tamil Nadu, some parts of South Andhra Pradesh, and some more parts of West Central and Northwest Bay of Bengal during next 48 hours. Further, the conditions will continue to remain favorable for further advance of monsoon into more parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, more parts of Andhra Pradesh, West Central and Northwest Bay of Bengal during subsequent 2 days. So these next 4 days we are expecting, and even after that we are expecting monsoon to advance further into the Indian mainland and rainfall amounts to increase. So this is the rainfall forecast. We expect more rainfall during this coming week along the southwest, along the west peninsular India as well as northeast India, and the pattern is likely to be the same with some changes. We are expecting the rainfall to increase over East India during the coming second week. This is reflected in the anomaly charts also. We expect the rainfall to increase over Uttar Pradesh, over Bengal, over Bihar, Jharkhand. So monsoon conditions are favorable for this advance that we have talked over Maharashtra and Karnataka. It is likely that the eastern branch of the monsoon will also advance further into East India and parts of Northwest India, mainly over Uttar Pradesh during the subsequent 2 weeks. But this will be accompanied, because of the increase in moisture, it will be accompanied by thunderstorm activity during the next 2 weeks. So southwest, this is exactly what is mentioned in the rainfall forecast for the 2 weeks. A positive thing along with this moisture increase and its penetration into the Indian mainland and advance of the southwest monsoon will be, there will be gradually the heat wave conditions are likely to reduce over northwest India, and we are expecting, especially over during week 2, heat wave conditions to subside from the entire country during the week 2.